tool here is something I came across. You don't need it very often, but if you've ever done a rust thinner that has the screwdriver thing on one side and the UFO tool on the other, they're almost impossible to take apart one person. So this is just a flathead type, removable bit. I just drilled a hole and just knocked it down into the wood. I don't have a pair of shears, but I can hold the shear like this, and I can put the screwdriver part on the screw, and then I can come up top with the UFO tool and loosen it and take it apart. I used to have to take them home and put them in a vise, and I said, well, that's not very practical. And I've got one person that gives me this rust to sharpen every 4 or 6 months. Yeah, so the first time I didn't take it apart because I knew I couldn't do it very easily. So then this little block of wood with a bit and push down into it enables me to hold the shear right here and work it on top.
You do the same thing with the Allen head for the vortex and
if you had different type screws, yeah. But that's the only one I've had a problem with was the rust thinner. And there are some other shears that has that same setup, but you don't run across it very often.
That's cool right there.
But that one